Did you know that there's a feature that comes with our phone by default for? Can we activate or deactivate fast charging? Your phone in one of the easiest and fastest ways, which is without need to take it to the technician. A completely PC-free method to activate this function. What do we need to do to activate this function? Okay, watch the step-by-step video tutorial so you don't miss it. Miss no detail and be able to solve this recovery. Having said all that, the first thing we're going to do is locate the adjustment option. Being here in the adjustment phase, it's very important to know this. So, before we do this, what do we need to do? Let's say that when we connect our phone it's time to plug it in and it's not charging. It might be because multifunctional, that doesn't charge quickly. We connect our phone and see that the fast charging option isn't showing up for us. Fast charging, that's usually due to several functions. So, what role should it take, huh? In what function could it be? Could it be the USB cable? It can be what the headboard is, also our headboard. My phone might not be working properly. What do we need to do first? Test it, change that USB cable. Yes, if our phone isn't working, it's not charging properly. If it's not loading correctly, as we can see here. This tells us that in order to charge our phone to 100%, it's at 64% charge and tells us we need 3 hours and a half already. This tells us that we need 3.5 hours to charge our phone. That's a long time. If it's on 64, it shouldn't take that long. Well, since we've checked the charger so much, like the USB cable, and let's say it's still like that. The other functions would also be to disable Bluetooth when we are not using it. Using Wi-Fi, also turn it off. The other option would be to go here. On screen. It is also recommended to disable this function. Why? So that the brightness doesn't go up and down so often. But we placed it in a moderate option so that the screen doesn't heat up very quickly if it's not used for a long time. The other option would also be to place it here. Suddenly, the time when we are using our phone to set it to 1 minute. 2 minutes, because if we set it to 15 seconds, that also causes the battery to drain, because our phone is turning off. I'm going to put it here because of the video tutorial. Now that all that's said, let's scroll down here. Here comes the very important part where we go to be able to find fast charging for our phone. We're going to go in a line. Let's scroll down here and we'll find the fast charging option. This option is always disabled by default. You will enter. They're going to disable these two options, so what are they going to do next? They're going to restart the phone so they can apply all the changes.